Raspberry Pi 400 comes built into a keyboard, with USB, Ethernet, Micro-SD, and HDMI ports. Highlights. Raspberry Pi 400 is priced at $70. This does not include any accessories. Raspberry Pi 400 comes with 4 GB of RAM. The tiny computer has Bluetooth 5.0. Raspberry Pi 400, a keyboard with an ARM-based computer built in, has been launched priced at $70 or just over $5,000. Unlike a Raspberry Pi, this is less of a DIY project and more of a low-cost computer for kids to learn how to code, as all you need to do is attach a monitor and you can get started. For people of a certain age, it's bound to bring back memories of learning programming on far less advanced machines with a similar form factor, such as the BBC Micro. Inside, the Raspberry Pi 400 has a quad-core Cortex-A72, ARM v8, SoC from Broadcom. All you need to get started is a TV or a monitor that can be connected to the Raspberry Pi 400 with the Micro-HDMI ports. You have ample connectivity options, and a compact keyboard without a number pad. Raspberry Pi 400 price. The Raspberry Pi 400 is priced at $70, roughly $5,200, without any accessories. The Raspberry Pi 400 kit is priced at $100, roughly $7,500, and includes a mouse, USB-C power supply, microSD card, and Micro-HDMI to HDMI cable, and a beginner's guide. As of now, there is no information on when the Raspberry Pi 400 will come to the Indian market. Raspberry Pi 400 specifications, features. The Raspberry Pi 400 is powered by the Broadcom BCM2711 quad-core Cortex-A72, ARM v8 64-bit SoC clocked at 1.8 GHz and 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM clocked at 3200 MHz. For connectivity, you get dual-band IEEE 802.11b/g/n/AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, 2 Micro-HDMI ports, a microSD card slot, and a PO header. The Micro-HDMI ports support up to 4K resolution at 60 fps. The Raspberry Pi 400 can decode H.265 video at 4K 60 fps and H.264 video at 1080p 60 fps, thanks to its OpenGL S3.0 graphics. The highly portable computer can be plugged into displays easily via the HDMI port, so you can use it in multiple locations if there are TVs or monitors available. It'll run Linux and can be used for basic computing tasks such as surfing the web, creating and editing documents, watching videos, but with its specifications and Linux OS, is most ideally suited for education, and learning to program using the Raspberry Pi OS desktop environment. The keyboard comes with 78 or 79 keys depending on the region. There is no number pad and the Raspberry Pi 400 is powered by a 5V DC USB connector. There are UK, US, German, French, Italian, and Spanish keyboard layouts available for purchase, with Norwegian, Swedish, Danish, Portuguese, and Japanese layouts coming soon, as per The Verge. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.